Welcome back to the workshop. I'm Kyle, and this is the E2 kitchen knife sharpener. The E2 is an electric kitchen knife sharpener that's simple, easy to use, and gentle on knives. It can even sharpen scissors. With one speed and one angle guide, it's the easiest way to get sharp in the kitchen. The E2 comes out of the box with the sharpener included and the power cord nested neatly in the bottom of the sharpener. To use the E2, plug it in, take your knife and rest it in the angle guide. Angle toward the center of the sharpener, power on, and then draw through at a consistent rate, about 1 inch per second. Alternate sides until the machine shuts off. Then use the ceramic hone wheel to remove burrs and create the ultimate sharp edge. This is like using a steel, but much easier. When it comes to sharpening scissors, you're going to want to remove the angle guide. Slide it off, and then you'll find this angle guide stored inside the sharpener. That's for your scissors. Open your scissors, lay them on the angle guide, touch the abrasive, power on, and draw at a consistent stroke, again at about 1 inch per second. 2 passes on one side and then 2 passes on the other, and you should be to like new condition. The E2 incorporates flexible abrasive discs that last a long time and can even be reversed for extended life. To access the discs, remove the guide and open the housing. If they do need to be replaced, they are available from Worksharp. Every Worksharp product is backed by a 3-year warranty and our world-class customer service that's here if you ever need them. Thanks for watching, guys.